This is Sharp Kitchen Mate Yam Panda Stroke Beans Blender Multi-Purpose. For your program number 1, in case if you want to pound your yam, what you do for me, you can see the bowl. It's pure stainless bowl. As you can see, you fix this blade, very simple. You can see your yam, you pack your yam inside. With this machine, you can pound your yam. Sharp Kitchen Mate Yam Pounder. You pound your yam, blend your beans for moi moi, beans for akara. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate Yam Pounder. Sharp Kitchen Mate Beans Blender. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, don't buy. After finishing, you open, you can have your yam. Very, very nice for your kitchen. Sharp Kitchen Mate Original. You can see your yam. Very simple. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. You can also use it to pound your unripe plantain. You pack your unripe plantain here. As you can see, you pound your unripe plantain. Then after finishing, you open, then you remove this, then you can see your unripe plantain. Very, very simple. You can see your unripe plantain. Very, very simple. Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. Now for your program number 2, in case you want to blend your beans for moi moi, beans for akara. Then you put your beans for moi moi, beans for akara. Under 1 minute, you add a little water. Very simple. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. Then you blend your beans for moi moi, beans for akara. Very, very simple. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate product. We give you 2 years warranty for this. After finishing, Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV, you can see beans for moi moi, beans for akara. Wow, this is good. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. Sharp Kitchen Mate, very, very nice for your kitchen. As seen on TV. Very, very nice. For one of your smoothie juice, what you do for me, your watermelon pineapple. Very simple. You can see your pineapple. You can see your banana. Very simple. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate Original. Very, very simple. Sharp Kitchen Mate Original. Now we are making smoothie juice. Wow, this is your smoothie juice. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. As seen on TV. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. For one of your okra, you can see your okra. You pack your okra inside. Sharp Kitchen Mate product. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. Sharp Kitchen Mate, very, very simple for your kitchen. Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. Sharp Kitchen Mate, very, very nice for your kitchen. You can have your okra. Very, very nice for your kitchen. Your program number 4, you can see your ugu leaf here. Very, very nice for your kitchen. What is the name? Sharp Kitchen Mate Yam Pounder. Sharp Kitchen Mate Multi-Purpose. Very, very simple for your kitchen. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. After finishing, you open. Wow, you have your ugu leaf. Very, very simple for your kitchen. You can see your meat. You pack as much as you want. Your meat, also fish. Sharp Kitchen Mate, marketers of Rice Kitchen Mate Limited. Very, very simple for your kitchen. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate, very, very nice for your kitchen. After finishing, this is Sharp Kitchen Mate product. This is your meat, fish, chicken, meat, fish, chicken. As you can see, if it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. So for one of your coleslaw, you have your cabbage, cucumber. Very, very nice for your kitchen. You slice your cucumber inside. For one of your coleslaw, you slice your onions. You chop to your taste. You chop to your taste. Very, very simple. If it is not Sharp Kitchen Mate product, it can never be sharp. So for your program number 7, you pack your tomato, pepper. As you can see, your tomato, Sharp Kitchen Mate Original. Sharp Kitchen Mate as seen on TV. It's multi-purpose yam pounder. After finishing, wow, you have your tomato. This is good. For your tomato, pepper, onions, beans for moi moi, beans for akara. Very, very nice.